2, where we are given cos x is equal to minus half, where x lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. You have read quadrant in previous class 10. It is like this. This is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis. Then this plane is divided into 4 quadrants: first, second, third and fourth. So cos x is equal to minus half and x lies in third quadrant, means in this quadrant. So our triangle will be like this. So this is our right triangle where this angle is x and value of cos x is minus half. Minus half means value of x is here negative. This means this value will be minus 1 and this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is taken as always positive. So this is 2. And this value of y is in negative axis. So this will be taken as also negative. So from right triangle we will use Pythagoras theorem to find out this side. So therefore third side by Pythagoras is equal to under root 4 minus 1 is equal to root 3. Since this side is negative side of y-axis, so this will be equal to minus root 3. Since y is negative. So therefore we have to find value of other trigonometric functions. 1 cos x is given. So therefore putting here minus root 3, sin x is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. This means minus root 3 by 2. And cos x is given. So we will find tan x. Tan x is equal to minus root 3 by minus 1. Therefore this is plus root 3. So therefore we see that the value of tan x is positive in third quadrant. Now we have to find other values. Other value is cosec x. Cosec x is reciprocal of sin x. This means minus 2 by root 3. And sec x is reciprocal of cos x. So therefore sec x is equal to minus 2 by 1 is equal to minus 2. Now what is left? Cot x. Cot is reciprocal of tan x. Therefore cot x is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore we have found out the value of all trigonometric functions, one value of which was given. Now we will come to another type of question in which value of some angle we have to find. So we come to now question number 6. This is sine 765. So for this we will see the graph of sine function. Graph of sine function is like this. This is angle side and this is value side. So maximum value of sine for any angle is plus 1 and minimum value of sine for any angle is minus 1. So sine, suppose this is 0 degree angle, this is 0, this is pi by 2 radian, this is pi radian, this is 3 pi by 2 radian, this is 2 pi radian. So pi by 2 means 90 degree, pi means 180, 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree and 2 pi means 360 degree. So sin 0 0 and sin 90 is 1. In the same way sin 180 0 and sin 270 minus 1. So and sin 360 0. So this is the graph of sin x. And after this value will repeat like this. Again it will go like this in this form. So from this property we can find the value of any angle for sine. So for this we will see that it is how much more than 360. So we will divide it by 360. 360 to 720. So this is 45. So this means 2 cycles of 360 are completed and 45 angle is remaining. So this we can write as sin 765 is equal to sin 2 into 360 plus 45. What is the meaning of this? After completing 360 means 2 pi cycle, the value of sin will be 0 because sin 2 pi 0, and after second cycle again 2 pi will come, that is also 0. So value of 45 we will take because this will have value only. So this is equal to sin 45 and sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. We know that. So now this is the answer of sin 765. Now we come to another type of question in which value of angle is minus here. So this is question number 7. Cosec minus 1410 degree. So minus angle we know that goes in this side, this direction. This is clockwise direction, and in clockwise direction the angle is taken as negative. So because this is negative. So for calculating this angle, you will see that this is how much less than this 2 pi cycle. Because cosec graph is same as sine graph, because cosec is reciprocal of sine. So for this we will divide it by 360. 360 4 ja 1440. So how much angle is remaining? 30. This means the angle is negative and the remaining angle is 30. So this means before completing 4 cycles of 2 pi means 360, the angle is 30 degree left. This means this angle is 30 degree less than 1440. Or we can say that before completing 4th cycle of 360, this angle is ended before 30 degree of this angle. So we can write in this form: cosec minus 1410 plus 1440. This means this angle is 30 degree less than 1440. So this is equal to cosec 30. Because at 1440 value of cosec will be 0, but this angle is ending 30 degree before 1440, so this angle will have value only. So this angle will have value. This is also reciprocal of sin 30, so this is 1 upon 1 upon 2. This means 2. So this is the answer of this cosec minus 140 degree angle. Now we come to another type of angle which is in pi. We come to question number 8. Tan 19 pi by 3. So since this angle is given in pi and this angle was given in degree, so how we will calculate angle in pi? We will see this is how much more than cycle of 2 pi. So for this we will divide 19 by 3. 3 6 are 18. How much is left? 1. So this means here, no, 2 9s are 18. This means here 9 cycles of 360 is completed and 1 means pi angle is left. So we can write it as tan 2 into 9 pi plus pi. It is written in the same order. 2 into 9 pi plus pi. Because this is pi, so here we can take pi. Because 2 9s are 18, 18. Sorry. 3 into 2 pi. Here we have to see the cycles of 2 pi. So cycles of 2 pi is completed 3, then this angle pi by 3 is left. So now the graph of tan is like this. This is 0 degree, this is pi by 2. So at pi by 2 value of tan is infinite. It goes to infinite. And at minus pi by 2 again it goes to minus infinite. So this means here, and value of angle 2 pi is 0. So this means after completing 3 cycles of 2 pi, value of this angle is 0. Only this angle is left, so this angle will have only value. So this is equal to tan pi by 3, and tan pi we will change into degree by multiply by 180 by 5. So this is tan 60 degree, and value of tan 60 degree we know it is root 3. Now one more question is left, question number 10, which is in negative. So cot minus 15 pi by 4. So we will see how much values it has completed. First, this angle is in minus. So when we see in this quadrant, first, second, third, fourth, value of cot is negative, because here only cos is positive, because when we draw any triangle, this is positive side and this is negative side, this is positive. So cot will be base by perpendicular, so this will come negative. So this is equal to minus cot 15 pi by 4. Now we will break it in terms of 2 pi. So how we will break in terms of 2 pi? Suppose this is 2 pi plus pi by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 2, 16. So 16, then we will take here minus, because 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. So this means 8 cycles of 2 pi is completed, and value of cot after completing 8 cycles of 2 pi will be 0. So we will be left with minus pi by 4. But value of cot is negative, so this is equal to minus cot pi by 4. So but minus minus plus, so this is plus cot pi by 4. Now multiplying by 180 by pi, this will change into degree. So this will be cot 45, and we know that cot 45 is 1.